Great white. Great white. Great white shark. Cutting the live bait off. I'm out of here. Oh mate, get out of the rudder. Holy. Oh mate, get out of the rudder. Holy. Me, there's a huge great white behind me. He's following me. What can I throw out the back to get him away from me? If I throw my water bottle, I know that I'm littering, but it might take his attention away from me. Alright, we'll throw this water bottle. He's turned on the water bottle. No, he didn't. I've got about 4 kilometers before I can land on a beach. I've got about an hour-long paddle before I can get anywhere on dry land. And he's still behind me. Holy